What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Prophet. I normally try to stay super positive on this channel, but this really just set me off today, so I figured I would share it with you all, maybe as more of a warning about selling on Amazon and the types of things you should be selling on there, because the returns are getting absolutely out of control. Buyers are just taking advantage of sellers, and Amazon is pretty much just letting them get away with it with no repercussions. So without further ado, I got this return in today. And normally I don't really mind returns that much because I don't sell in a lot of categories that get a lot of returns, and the ones I do get, usually they haven't opened the items, so they're brand new and I can just sell them again. I do have to pay shipping both ways, which sucks. But when I get something like this back, it really makes me mad. So I don't normally sell a ton of shoes, again, because I don't like selling things with sizes because they get a lot of returns. Someone returned Crocs back today that look like this. I mean, these are actually kind of gross to touch. They look like they've been wearing these around for absolute months. And like, what are you doing? Like dirtbag riding? I just had a bunch of dirt that just dumped out on the table. These are absolutely disgusting. And the annoying thing is I know they're just buying another pair and swapping these out with them. And the most Amazon will give me in a restocking fee is half of that. So I filed a restocking fee. Sometimes they let you do 100%, not often at all. Thankfully, this was one that was seller authorized, not just automatically authorized by Amazon. So I was able to file that 50% restocking fee, but on $65, that's only $32.50. And they're charging me like $14.50 for the return label. It cost me like $8 or $10 to send them originally. So really it's just recouping my shipping. And then I just have to eat these things. I can't sell those. Those are completely unsellable. Just thought to add this in here in case you're not sure how to do a restocking fee. So I'm in my returns here. I have already applied this one, but it's the same process. So I'm just going to show you. You would just click issue refund on whatever the order is. And then right here it would say issue restocking fee. I've already obviously done that. I showed that in the video, but we're just going to click view details because it comes up with the same screen. Right here, you can mark all of these exactly as they are. So it had severe damages, that was missing. The packaging on the outer side was the exact same box in the same way. Dirty or stained. I said the buyer is clearly just swapping for a new pair. These are disgustingly used, and I should be able to charge a 100% restocking fee because these are unsellable. And then you can upload your pictures below as evidence. So we'll see if that goes through, but I just thought I would add this in case you weren't sure how to charge a restocking fee. I don't know, this is more just a rant, but buyers are just getting more and more out of hand, and it's just frustrating. They're so entitled on Amazon and think they can just get away with anything, and they pretty much can. Like, yeah, he's probably even going to file an A to Z claim on me because I didn't give him his full money back, but I uploaded a bunch of pictures like that, so I really hope that doesn't happen. But this is more just a be cautious in what you're selling. Try to sell in areas that are less likely to be returned. Obviously, shoes, clothing, anything with a size is going to be more likely to be returned. I've had a lot of luck with adjustable hats. Hats is one of my expertises, so I haven't had a ton of returns in that category. However, hats with a size I have, so I've kind of gone away from those. Trying to sell more hard goods and hats that are adjustable, just things that I'm interested in. Amazon is great because you can sell things so fast, but you really have to factor in the returns, especially if you're just starting out. A return like that could be detrimental to your business. Thankfully, I have a 6-figure eBay business going, and Amazon's kind of just a side thing that I list things on. So it's not super detrimental to me. It just stinks, and I want to share all my experiences that are able to hopefully help you, maybe prevent an issue like this from happening in the future. So sorry to be a Debbie Downer today, but this is just absolutely unacceptable, and I just had to rant to somebody, so it was you guys. Be careful what you're selling on Amazon. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.